Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with TikTok for privacy controls and restricted mode. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with TikTok, begin by downloading the app from your device's app store. Open the TikTok app once the download is complete. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, select Sign Up to create a new account. You can choose to register using your email, phone number, or a social media account. If you choose email, enter your valid email address and create a password. If you prefer phone registration, enter your phone number and follow the verification steps. For social media registration, select the platform you'd like to use and follow the prompts. Once you've registered, navigate back to your profile. Next, tap the three dots or the hamburger menu in the upper right corner to access settings. Scroll down to find the privacy option and tap on it. Here, you'll see various privacy controls that you can adjust. To enable restricted mode, find the Digital Wellbeing section. Tap on Restricted Mode and follow the prompts to enable it. This feature helps filter out content that may not be appropriate for all users. Make sure to set a password for digital well-being to prevent others from changing your settings. Review and adjust any additional privacy settings according to your preferences. Your TikTok account is now registered with enhanced privacy controls and restricted mode enabled. Explore the app and enjoy a safer experience tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.